Goodboost Aquanatal is an app-based therapeutic exercise program that creates personalised aquanatal sessions for expectant and new mothers. The sessions aim to reduce pain and discomfort, improve strength, mobility and function, as well as offer expectant mothers the opportunity to connect, build friendships and be more active regularly. There are many benefits of aquanatal exercise. The buoyancy of the water creates an experience of weightlessness that makes aqua exercises easier, more relaxing and accessible for pregnant women, particularly if they are experiencing any joint or pelvic discomfort during pregnancy. The sessions last up to 45 minutes and are delivered with user-friendly, waterproof tablets. Customers can attend weekly group sessions that are facilitated by an Actif staff member who are always on hand to help.